Make money with Nano Banana. People everywhere are discovering a surprisingly simple way to turn creativity into cash. And it starts with one of Google's newest AI tools, Nano Banana. This playful-sounding feature is quickly becoming a serious income generator for digital creators, beginners, and side hustlers alike. With just a few prompts and a little creativity, you can produce fully illustrated children's books, coloring pages, custom graphics, and more, all from your phone. No art background, no fancy software, and no complicated learning curve. In today's video, we're breaking down exactly how Nano Banana works, why it's exploding in popularity, and how you can use it to build digital products that sell over and over again. Whether you want passive income, freelance opportunities, or a new creative outlet, this tool opens the door to fast, fun, and profitable online creation. Let's get into the details and start building your first digital asset. Nano Banana. What is it really? Despite the playful name, it's not a cute fruit gadget. It's Google's newest AI-powered image generation and editing tool, built right inside the Gemini app. It's fast, it's flexible, and the quality of the visuals it produces honestly shocks people the first time they use it. We're talking high-detail illustrations, clean line art, consistent characters from page to page, beautiful text rendering, and even short video clips, all created from simple prompts. It's like having a professional illustrator on your phone 24/7, except you don't need any artistic skills to use it. Keep watching, because this is where things get wild. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Nano Banana isn't just an AI tool, it's a shortcut, a way to turn simple ideas into real, sellable products without needing design skills or technical knowledge. The tool handles the heavy work, leaving you with clean, professional results that look like they took hours to create. And this next part is where people start making money fast. Getting started is ridiculously easy. All you do is go to gemini.google.com or download the Gemini app on your phone. Search for Nano Banana or open the image tools, and you're good to go. Free users get thousands of credits, which is more than enough to complete multiple projects. And the best part? It works beautifully even on a basic phone. As long as you can type a prompt, like a cute puppy sitting in a spaceship, you can create a full page of artwork instantly. Don't blink now, because the real opportunity begins here. Now that you know what Nano Banana can do, let's talk about the real moneymaker, digital kids books. This is the method exploding across YouTube, TikTok, and Etsy right now. People are creating entire illustrated storybooks in minutes, exporting them as PDFs, and selling them on platforms where digital downloads are thriving. And because these aren't physical products, you don't ship anything, you don't carry inventory, and once the book is made, it can sell forever. Yes, this is the part too many people overlook. Here's how it works in the simplest possible way. You open Nano Banana and type a prompt for the book you want. Something like, create a 10-page children's book about a friendly horse who goes on magical adventures. Include colorful illustrations and kid-friendly text on each page. Nano Banana will generate the pages for you one by one, usually between 8 and 10 pages. And the results are shockingly good. You'll get bright, cute illustrations, simple storytelling, and consistent style across the entire book. If one page comes out weird or your phone battery dies, just regenerate that page. Once you have your images, download them to your device. Stay with me, because in a moment, you'll see how this turns into actual income. From here, jump over to Canva. You can use a free account. You don't need Pro for this. Search for a children's book template or choose a simple square design. Drag each of your Nano Banana images into the pages. Adjust any text if you like, remove anything unnecessary, and within minutes, you have a polished, professional-looking book. Export it as a PDF. And just like that, your book exists. And yes, it looks professional. Shockingly professional. Once your book is ready, it's time to list it online. Etsy is one of the best platforms for this, especially for digital downloads. Set up a shop, which is free, and ask ChatGPT to help you create a strong title and compelling SEO-friendly description. Say something like, I'm selling a digital children's book about a horse adventure. Write me an Etsy title and description optimized for search. You'll get a polished listing that helps buyers find your product easily. Price it anywhere from $5 to $10, upload a couple of thumbnail images made in Nano Banana or Canva, and publish the listing. There are children's books and coloring pages on Etsy right now with thousands of reviews, and reviews only represent a fraction of total sales. Some creators are earning steady passive income with just a handful of digital products. And because Nano Banana makes it so fast to create new books, you can build a small digital library quickly. Animals, dinosaurs, space, princesses, mermaids, robots, ocean adventures, all evergreen themes that parents and teachers love. Now, if you want something even easier, coloring books are a goldmine. Instead of full-color pages, you can prompt Nano Banana with something like, "Create a 10-page black and white kids coloring book about ocean animals." You get crisp line art that you can drop straight into Canva and export as a PDF. Parents buy these all the time. For school, for birthday parties, for travel, for home activities, and because they're quick to make, you can create themed bundles or seasonal sets that sell even better. Stick around, because there's an even bigger opportunity coming. Once you've mastered books and coloring pages, you can branch out into freelance work. Nano Banana becomes your secret design weapon for creating client graphics like posters, book covers, social media banners, custom illustrations, and even business branding assets. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are overflowing with clients looking for fast turnaround and unique designs. Imagine offering custom children's book illustrations, adorable character packs, or AI-generated posters. You write a simple prompt, fine-tune in Canva, and deliver a polished result. Jobs like these easily pay anywhere from $20 to $200, depending on complexity. Create a small portfolio with 10 to 15 sample images, upload them to Behance or your Fiverr gallery, and suddenly you have a professional-looking body of work ready for clients. One of my favorite experiments was generating a nano-sized banana superhero. It started as a joke, but the image came out so funny and charming that it ended up being a perfect example of how creative and flexible this tool is. And clients absolutely love unique concepts like that. After freelancing, another income stream you can explore is stock imagery. Platforms with Shutterstock and Adobe Stock pay creators royalties every time someone downloads their images. You can generate entire collections with Nano Banana. Futuristic backgrounds, cartoon characters, infographics, workspace mockups, seasonal designs, and more. Consistency is key here. Upload 50 to 100 images to start, keep them niche-specific, and let your portfolio grow. Top contributors earn thousands per month from downloads alone. From stock images, you can slide straight into social media monetization. With platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, visuals are everything. Nano Banana helps you create eye-catching thumbnails, viral memes, storytelling animations, motivational posters, or even entire content series. Build a page around AI-generated art, post daily, grow your audience, and monetize through brand deals, ads, or affiliate links. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. Your content becomes your identity. And yes, people truly build full-time incomes doing exactly this. By now, you can clearly see why everyone is talking about Nano Banana. From kids' books to coloring pages, from freelancing to stock images, from social media content to print on demand, this tool isn't just fun to use, it's a genuine income generator. And because it's still new, the competition is surprisingly low. The sooner you jump in, the easier it is to dominate your niche. So start small. Create one book. List it. Watch what happens. Then improve. Experiment. Expand. You never know. That tiny idea you typed into Nano Banana today might become a digital product that earns you passive income for years. And that's why Nano Banana isn't just another AI toy. It's a real revenue engine for anyone willing to create, upload, and collect the payouts. But here's what most people miss. Nano Banana becomes even more powerful when you pair it with the right platform. A platform that lets you sell instantly, keep most of your profits, and build a digital storefront in minutes. And that's exactly what I'm covering in the next video. How to make money on Gumroad. If you thought today's demo opened your eyes, wait until you see how simple it is to turn those AI creations into real sales. So click over to that video right now. It picks up exactly where this one ends.